I never looked you upon that, where everything was just going, so I just kept it ignoring. And that one moment again come, once again it feels shattered. Then all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my time, you didn't even try, so I just kept being happy and so nice when you called the shot. It came at my worst. Now I'm terrified, don't know anymore what to tell or so. All of the moments I liked you, if it was for all gone, why you come again? And just our eye contact was so strong. If happy ever afters did exist, I know nothing will happen in a world like this. You were just so happy and sweet love, but I'm just so tired and now done. 'Cause I'm at a payphone trying to call you, but I just don't know what to do. We let the times go, I know it's all wrong. We never knew whom to call. If loving you was ever anything, I would still wish you for calling. But now it's just a phone with no change love. 'Cause I just never knew you'd be up for this.